Jess from Ganja. I'm very grateful for all the volunteers. Today I want to share is because when I came here, I got pain in my leg. Now it's okay already. I'm very thankful because when I suffer this pain, inflammation, I got a swollen in my thigh, and I came here. There's 2 days I suffer the pain at my back, and number 3 days I completely healed. That's why I'm very amazed of this Yuan Shi Dian. Very good. And then as a Grab driver, I share to my passenger every time. And I share to many people because I'm so excited. This is something new that I learned. So I came here to learn this English version. It's because I'm not very familiar with Chinese. I learned a few times already. So this time I'm quite clear already about all this. So I thank you every one of the volunteers.
I came that I understand better because I have a bit of theory and also practical. I understand a bit more, but still, of course, I need a lot of practice. So I also voted for 1 day because I find that it's easier to come in for 1 day because of family. And I'm so touched that all the volunteers are so patient. Whenever we ask any question, they really, with a smile and with friendliness, they explain everything and they demonstrate everything, and they never complain of anything that we ask too much. Thank you so much. Thanks.